Good morning, Fly Babies. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Well, today is Tuesday, and it is our free day. So we have a 2-layer cake. We have our routines, and we have our free day. That's our basic weekly plan. We do not have zones or projects on today, okay? What we do have are 5 routines. So we're going to get up in the morning and do our morning routine and then put our children through their routines. Those 2 things happen. Make sure to check your planner. Then after that, if you're going to work, go on to work. I'll get with you in just a minute. If you are staying home, you're an at-home fly baby, then you're going to start with your next routine, which is putting in your laundry, and while that's going, go through an inch of paper. And then when you're done with that, you'll start your free day. And that is awesome. Now, you don't have to be done with the laundry. Just keep your ear out for it. Put it in the dryer. You do have to fold laundry today, all right? But then you're going to, this afternoon, have your after dinner routine and your before bed routine. Don't forget at lunchtime, around that time, you're going to do another clutter check, remembering that places you have decluttered are more vulnerable for new clutter. So be especially vigilant in those areas. But inspect your whole house, and you can have your kids help. It'll be a scavenger hunt, not old clutter, fresh new clutter, all right? Okay, so then you're going to have your after dinner routine where the whole family helps. And then you're going to have the before bed routine for the children, and then the before bed routine for yourself. Again, checking your planner. And before the before bed routine, another clutter check. How many clutter checks? 3. How many days a week? 7. What do? You check for new clutter. Where do you check? Especially the areas that you've recently decluttered because they're more vulnerable, but you check the whole house. Who does the clutter check? Everyone. They can check after you, you can check after them, it doesn't matter, make it a game, it is fun, it is not accusatory. These are mindless things that we're doing, and we're trying to learn that this is what happens when we're not present, okay? And we're hurrying too much. All right, for those of you who work, when you get to work today, you're going to enjoy your work, I hope you're following your work control journal. It'll make a big difference in your work life. Then at your break, you can think about who you assigned to do the basic weekly plan item. At lunchtime, maybe give them a call to remind them, and then call them again on your way home to say, hey, I'm going to be home in 15 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever. It only takes 10 minutes or less to do X job, right? And then when you get home, the first thing you're going to do is inspect what you expect. Next, you're going to do a clutter check. Then after that, you're going to put in your laundry and go through an inch of paper, and you're going to make supper. After dinner, we're going to have the after dinner routine as a family, and then you're going to check your planner and do your before bed routines with the kids, before bed routine for yourself. That's it. Okay, so this day is your free day. You don't have to do anything in the basic weekly plan area except if you have delegated out that weekly home blessing hour, or if you're a person you delegated to, or if you have no one to delegate to, if the person you delegated it to didn't do it, then you do it. So you will have that 10 minutes or less, but it's not much. And you will institute the consequence of not doing the job with the person you delegated it to. It has to be strong enough consequence that they don't want to do that anymore, okay? All right, and remember when they whine and pitch a fit, that's not about you, it's about themselves. They're mad at themselves. They'll say they're mad at you, but they're mad at themselves, reminding them again that it is the consequence that they chose by not choosing to do the other thing which you gave them ample time to do, and it wasn't even hard. Okay, that's it for today, my fly babies. I hope you have a wonderful free day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.